how to change default PDF viewer in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can change the PDF viewer on your Windows 11. For that, you will need to head over to settings, open up your settings, and then you will see various options on the left hand side. Go to apps and then go to default apps. Now in the search bar, search PDF and tap on .pdf, and you'll see Adobe Acrobat or any PDF viewer that you're using right now. You just need to tap on the arrow, and then you can see select a default app for PDF files. So now if your default app is Adobe Acrobat or any other thing and you want to change it to something else, then you'll see the options right here. So I want to change it to Microsoft Edge, so I'll just tap on Microsoft Edge, and now I'll tap on set default. And as you can see, my default PDF viewer has been changed. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.